We'll guide you through how to use the slow motion effect on CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and import the video clip you want to edit by clicking on the Import button at the top left. Drag and drop your video clip into the timeline below. Next, select the video clip in the timeline by clicking on it. You'll notice a toolbar appear above the timeline. Click on the speed icon, which looks like a speedometer. In the speed settings, you'll see two options: curve and normal. For a simple slow motion effect, choose normal. Here, you can adjust the slider to reduce the speed. Drag the slider to the left to slow down your footage. You can experiment with different speeds to see what looks best for your video. If you want to make your slow motion more dynamic, you can choose curve. With curve, you can create a custom speed graph by adjusting the points on the curve. This allows you to slow down specific parts of the video while keeping others at normal speed. Once you're satisfied with the slow motion effect, preview your video by clicking the play button in the preview window. If everything looks good, export your video by clicking on the export button in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and format, then hit export again to save your edited video. And that's it. You've successfully applied a slow motion effect using CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.